Hi friends, my name is Ruchi. I am from Delhi, India, and I am excited to be again on the DT team. I was there last 6 months also, and I am continuing with the Little Birdie team. Very excited as I have two huge boxes of goodies to open, and I'll show you what all I have received in my DT kit today. Thanks. Beautiful flowers which are just perfect to use in your scrapbooking, in your mixed media, in your layouts, anything and everything that you want to embellish with flowers, you can use them. They're small, they are big, they are colorful, all different designs, and they are especially handmade by ladies. Super beautiful. Beautiful vibrant colors. Some chalk paints, and stone texture paste for all your mixed media projects. Now you can buy all your Little Birdie products from their website. They have a warehouse now in US and will be shipping directly from there to all over the world. Beautiful chipboards. They're all pre-primed and can be used directly onto any of your projects. Some of the stickers, sentiment stickers, which you can use as it is. And some metallic waxes which give excellent coverage. And now the excellent paper packs which the company has recently launched. These are all 6x6. Beautiful shabby chic and other designs. This is for the Valentine's theme for the month of February. Now these are the bigger 12x12 packs which have 12 designs. Amazing collection of songs of the seas. And a beautiful shabby chic boutique. I'll open this pack for you. You can see the GSM is 250, which is very thick paper. Again, excellent printing quality. You can create your scrapbooks very quickly and of excellent quality. I'll be working with these products for the next 6 months and will show you some design inspirations which you can catch. Thanks.